Did you know that the global freelance market is expected to hit $455 billion by 2025? That's right, online skills are the future, and today I'm revealing 3 more skills that will help you cash in on this booming industry. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your expertise, these skills are your ticket to a lucrative online income. Let's get started. The first skill you need to master in 2025 is graphic design. With businesses and creators needing eye-catching visuals for their brands, graphic designers are in high demand. Here's how you can make money with graphic design: freelance platforms, offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or 99 Designs, sell digital products, create and sell templates, logos, or social media kits on marketplaces like Creative Market or Etsy, work with brands, partner with small businesses or influencers to design their branding materials. The average graphic designer earns between $25 to $150 per hour, depending on their experience. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where you can learn this skill. Here's how you can learn graphic design. Free resources. YouTube channels like The Future or Will Patterson offer excellent tutorials. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Skillshare, Graphic Design Basics, or Udemy, Adobe Illustrator for beginners. Practice tools. Use free tools like Canva or GIMP to get started. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance graphic design gigs. Fiverr, perfect for offering affordable design services. Behance, ideal for showcasing your portfolio and attracting clients. Now let's explore the second skill. The second skill is virtual assistants. In 2025, more businesses are going remote, and they need skilled virtual assistants to handle tasks like email management, scheduling, and customer support. Here's how you can make money as a virtual assistant. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Belay. Specialize, focus on niche services like social media management, bookkeeping, or podcast editing. Build long-term clients. Work with entrepreneurs or small businesses that need ongoing support. The average virtual assistant earns between $20 to $50 per hour, depending on their expertise. Want to know where to learn this skill? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn virtual assistants. Free resources, blogs like Virtual Assistant Assistant, or YouTube channels like Vanessa Lau offer great tips. Paid courses, check out platforms like Coursera, Virtual Assistant Training, or Udemy, become a virtual assistant. Practice tools, use tools like Trello for task management or Calendly for scheduling. Once you've learned the basics, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for beginners to find small projects. Fiverr, perfect for offering quick VA services. LinkedIn, ideal for connecting with businesses looking for virtual assistants. Next, let's dive into the third skill. The third skill is data analysis. In 2025, businesses are relying on data to make smarter decisions, and they need skilled analysts to interpret and present this information. Here's how you can make money with data analysis. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, TopTal, or Freelancer. Consulting, work with businesses to analyze their data and provide actionable insights. Create reports, sell data-driven reports or dashboards to companies in your niche. The average data analyst earns between $50 to $200 per hour, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn data analysis. Free resources. YouTube channels like Data School or blogs like Towards Data Science offer great tips. Paid courses, check out platforms like Coursera, Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate, or Udemy Data Analysis with Python. Practice tools, use free tools like Google Sheets, Tableau Public, or Python libraries like Pandas. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance data analysis gigs. TopTal, perfect for high-paying specialized projects. LinkedIn, ideal for connecting with businesses looking for data experts. Now, let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations. You now know 3 more online skills that will make you money in 2025. Graphic design, virtual assistants, and data analysis. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skill set, these skills are in high demand and can help you build a sustainable online income. Here are some general tips to succeed. Start small. Focus on one skill and scale as you go. Be consistent. Show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Keep learning, stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your chosen field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share how to create a winning freelance profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.